Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the AC compressor on Toyota Avensis 2.2 diesel. The AC compressor on this car is located on the bottom of the engine. It's located right there. In order to get access to the AC compressor, we need to remove some stuff on the top and some stuff on the bottom, and then we'll manage to take it out. First, we're going to remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to remove those engine under trays and this part of the wheel arch liner, because we need to remove the serpentine belt from the bottom. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, you'll find links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that all these covers are removed, I'm also going to remove the front right wheel, just to have more space and better view for the camera. Next, I'm going to remove the serpentine belt. The tensioner on the serpentine belt is just above the crankshaft pulley. It's right there, and this is the bolt that we need to put our wrench in, and then turn it so that we can loosen the belt. This is the AC compressor right there. To loosen the serpentine belt, we need to use this wrench size 22 and maybe also another wrench, so that we can get better leverage. I'm going to put these two wrenches together, and I'm going to turn the tensioner counterclockwise so that it loosens the belt. I'm even going to hold the two wrenches by the twist rod so that the belt is loose without turning the tensioner backwards. This tensioner is actually very hard to turn, so that's why I'm using two wrenches together, and that's why I'm going to hold it onto the twist rod so that it doesn't turn back, because if it turns back it will be again very hard to move it. Here you can see how I've put it onto the twist rod to hold the two wrenches. Now I can take the serpentine belt out and just start removing the AC compressor. This is the AC compressor right there. The AC compressor is held by 4 bolts, 2 on the bottom and 2 on top. We also need to disconnect the electrical connector on it, and from the top we need to disconnect the 2 AC lines. Here we're going to remove this electrical connector for this sensor. And here I'll show you where the 2 bottom bolts are, but first we're going to remove the top bolts, and we'll leave the 2 bottom bolts for last. Now we're going to the top of the car, and we'll try to clear some space so that we can get to the top bolts of the AC compressor. To do that, first we need to remove this injector module. It's held by 3 bolts, 1 bolt there and 2 bolts on this side, 1 there and 1 on the bottom. And then we need to disconnect the 5 electrical connectors. To remove those bolts, I'm going to use my electric ratchet and an extension, and I will manage to take it out. We can see the module is now loose, so now we're going to bring it up and try disconnecting all the electrical connectors. That's all the electrical connectors removed, and this is the injector module. Now that the injector module is removed, we have better access for the AC compressor. First, we're going to remove the 2 AC lines. They're held by 2 bolts, size 10. To remove them, I'm going to use an extension so that I can get access to them. That's the 2 AC lines right there, and you see where those 2 bolts are holding the 2 AC lines. And now I'll show you what kind of extension I'm going to use. So this is the extension that I'm going to use, but this is only part of it. It's only half of the extension. First, I'm going to put it onto the bolt. The bolts are at size 10 socket. I'm going to put the extension onto the bolt, and then I'm going to get another extension and a ratchet and try to loosen the bolts and remove them. That's the bolt of the first AC line loosened. Now I'm going to take it out with the magnet. Here is the first bolt out. Now I'm going to take out the AC line from the compressor, and I'm going to start removing the second bolt for the second AC line. Before removing the second bolt for the second AC line, first I'm going to move those hoses to the side. They're held by that plastic bracket. I need to unclamp it and now put it to the side. And now I'm going to get my extension and get the second bolt for the second AC line. As the second bolt loosened and out. Now I'm going to remove the second AC line, and next I'm going to remove the two top bolts holding the AC compressor. That's the two AC lines out. You can see where I've put them on. Make sure you replace the O-rings on them before putting them back onto the new compressor. Here I'm trying to show you the two top bolts holding the AC compressor. We're going to remove those two bolts right now. To remove those bolts, we need to use socket size 12 and a little extension as well. First I'm going to loosen them with my ratchet, and then I'm going to use my electric ratchet to take them out completely. That's the first bolt out. Now I'm going to take out the second one. And that's the second bolt out. Now I'm gonna go on the bottom of the car and take out the other two bolts. And there is also an electrical connector for the AC compressor that we need to disconnect once we remove those two bolts. To remove those two bolts, there is not much space, so I'm going to use my wrench to loosen them, and I'm going to get them out by hand afterwards. That's the two bottom bolts removed. Now the AC compressor should be loose, and next I'm going to turn it a little bit so that I can take out the electrical connector, and then I'm going to take the AC compressor out of the car. Here you can see where I'm taking the AC compressor out. There is not much space, but you need to wiggle it a little bit and it will come out eventually. And that's the AC compressor out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. Here you can see on the AC compressor the 4 bolts that I removed and the electrical connector right there, and also the 2 AC lines. That's the new AC compressor. It's a Valeo brand and that's the part number for it. Now I'm going to put the AC compressor back in the reverse order. First I'm going to put it in its place, put on the 2 bottom bolts, then put on the 2 top bolts. Also don't forget to put on the electrical connector. And afterwards I'm going to put the 2 AC lines with new O-rings, and then I'm going to put on the serpentine belt. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.